Hello children. Okay, in today's class we learn about multiplication of numbers. Yes, so what is our checklist? To learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number, and also to solve word problems on the multiplication of numbers. Okay, so this is the chapter 3, multiplication, and by the end of this chapter we would be able to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number, and also we'll know how to solve word problems on the multiplication of numbers. Okay children, starting with the first one. In multiplication, two numbers are multiplied to get a product. Yes, we all know what is multiplication. Yes, so suppose I have two numbers here, 18 and 12. Now when I multiply 18 with 12, now the first number 18 is called multiplier, and the second number 12 is called as multiplicand. Okay children, what is the first number called? The first number 18 is called as multiplier, and the second number 12 is called as multiplicand. Now what about this? The answer we get 216 is called as the product. Now see, when we add two numbers, the numbers are called as addends. Yes or no? The numbers which we are adding are called as addends, and the answer is called as sum. In the same way, when we are subtracting, the bigger number is called as the minuend and the smaller number is called as the subtrahend, and the answer is called as what children? Difference. In the same way, when we are multiplying, the first number is called multiplier, second number is called multiplicand, and the answer we get by multiplying these two is called as the product. Okay children, this is the basic introduction about multiplication. Now moving to how to multiply these 2-digit numbers. I know that you have already done multiplication of 2-digit numbers in your previous standard, but let us revise. Now see, what are we doing? We have ones and tens in the multiplicand. First, what should we do? We should multiply with the ones. 4 5s are 20. Now 0 is to be written here. 2 is to be carried on to the next number. 4 6 are 24. Plus what do we have? We have 2 carried. 24 plus 2 becomes 26. So we are writing 26 here. Okay. What was this? This is the first step wherein we multiplied 65 with 4. Now next, moving on to the tens place. Yes children, see, this is a new digit. We are taking the new digit now. After 3 we are having one digit here, that is 4. So before I start multiplying, I will place 1 0 here. Okay, a new digit. Whenever we are multiplying with a new digit, we start in a new line, and here after 3 we are having one digit. So I am placing 1 0. Now let us start multiplying. 3 5s are 15. 5 is written here, 1 carried. Now 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 becomes 19. So 19 is written here. Okay children, what is this? Our problem is almost done now. What did we do? First we multiplied the multiplier 65 with 4 and then with 3. Yes, now what are these two called? These two are called as partial products. Yes, these we got by multiplying, so these are called as products, but it is not our final answer, so it is called as the partial products. These two are called as our partial products. Now what to do? We should add these partial products together. 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 here 1 carried, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 9 12, 2 here 1 carried, lastly 1 plus 1 2. 2210 is the product of a multiplication. Okay children, this was multiplying a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. Now let us look at some properties of addition. Yes, let us look at some properties of addition. The first property is that the product remains the same even if the order of the numbers being multiplied is reversed. What are they saying about the product? That it remains the same. What is the product again children? Product is the answer of multiplication. Answer that we get from multiplication. It remains the same even if the order of the numbers being multiplied is reversed. First, let me explain this with small numbers. Say I am multiplying 3 and 2. Yes, what is 3 2s are? 3 2s are 6. Yes, now the order of these numbers, if I reverse it, that means 2 is written first and 3 is written second. Now 2 3s are how much, children? Again 2 3s are also same. So what are we observing here? The product. Yes, this is our product. The product is the same. In both the cases 6 is our answer. So the product is the same even though the order of the numbers is reversed. The order of the numbers being multiplied is reversed. Yes, let us take here what example did they give? 9 into